Okay, what I want to talk about real quick is these tabs on both the left and the right side here. And what's the difference between the tabs and the whiteboard software? So the whiteboard software is what I use most of the time. This is what I use to get set up for the day. This is your kind of primary tool that you use throughout the day. It's just the most powerful part of the Viewboard. But when do I use the tabs? If I forgot to bring up my notes or I was stuck in a meeting and I'm coming back, I just didn't get a chance to set up for the day. These tabs are used for something quick you want to write on. It annotates right over the screen. You can't do as much, it's not as powerful as say the whiteboard software. But let's say I have a warm-up that I want to do, but sometimes whiteboard software takes some time, bring up that file and all that. So if I go to my file explorer and I know where that warm-up is for the day really quick, it is much quicker to go bring up that warm-up. And so as I bring mine up really quick, it's gonna bring that warm-up, my PDF right here. But now what I can do then is, these tabs are just meant for some quick writing. And then I can write right on the screen. Now what it does is freezes the screen. Now I can't move this up and down. It's just meant for, again, a quick write. So you can write all over it, okay? It's gonna do literally anything that you want to do. But as you can tell, I'm not gonna be able to scroll the screen. It freezes it, you can write on it, you hit the X, now you've unfroze the screen, all right? And you can scroll it back up, click tab again. And once you get that bar back over, you can change over your font color and do whatever you need to do on the, in this case, we're talking math. So we're doing a transformation. So we're going what? Left 2, down 1, and making a graph on here, okay? But that is the nice thing if you're just kind of running late or you forgot to bring up a warm-up or anything like that off of here. That's the nice part of the tabs, where you don't have to necessarily bring up the entire whiteboard software for that. I don't use the tabs very often because I usually get myself ready for the day by, again, open up the whiteboard software, but that is the use of the tabs. Now, once I do have my whiteboard software pull up, as it is pulling up, I don't use these tabs at all. I just kind of drag it off to the side and I just kind of forget they're even there, because the whiteboard software is tons more powerful than what those tabs do. And again, those tabs are more for, again, something that is outside of using this whiteboard software right here. So if you got like a Microsoft file pulled up, let's say you're going over a quiz with students. So let's say you want to go over the results of a quiz. You can bring up a Microsoft file really quick, okay? And as I'm going over this, I can drag it up a little bit. All right, click my tabs. And what it does now is as soon as you see that bar, I just froze the screen. I can talk about it with the students. All right, do my transformation. Go over to the next one. I can do the transformation with the students. Talk about what went right, what went wrong, emphasize things. But again, if I try to scroll up to the next one, ain't gonna happen. Because again, tabs freezes it, click it. Now it doesn't save anything, who really cares about that? But again, it's just kind of a quick version of talking about things. So tabs, they're great for quick talks, but I wouldn't say use it primarily as your biggest resource. It's down here in that whiteboard software.